I'm going to let you in on a secret. This is peanut Rayu. Up until about 3 weeks ago, I'd never heard of it. I tried it, and now I'm putting it on everything. Fish, meat, pasta, noodles, rice, poached eggs. Today, I'm going to give you the recipe. Let's taste this little chili number, just to show you how good it is. That is insanely good, and you're going to want the recipe. Here we go. Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm back here in the New Forest on a nice rainy Tuesday morning looking for mushrooms. But today's video, we are going to be doing a peanut Rayu. Loads of garlic, loads of toasted peanuts, sesame in there, and a great big kick of chili. For this recipe, we're going to need 100 grams of peeled blanched peanuts. And mixed in with the peanuts, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of normal sesame seeds. You can use flavoured sesame seeds if you want to, but I'm using plain ones here. First, we are going to roast the peanuts and the sesame seeds together, and this is going to release the oils and the flavour. So the first stage, empty your nuts into a nice warm pan and get the most out of your nuts. Now while those nuts and seeds are gently toasting, we're going to crush a bulb of garlic, and we want 12 nice sized cloves of garlic for this recipe. Now a lot of Koreans do this. I crush the garlic a little bit first before I slice it to get all the flavour out. A Korean friend of mine says you can't have too much garlic. Now while you're doing this, it's really important to keep a good eye on your nuts and seeds to make sure they don't burn. A nice low heat because you want to toast those nuts and seeds to release that flavour. Now once you've got a gentle toast on those nuts, you want to put them back into the glass bowl. And don't clean the frying pan just yet. Next, we're going to measure out 200 millilitres of plain veg oil. Okay, next we're going to add the oil to a frying pan and then add our garlic. Now be really careful because garlic burns really easily, and then we're going to gently fry off the garlic to get all that flavour into the oil. Now you can see the bubbling around the garlic, and the garlic oil is toasting nicely, and this is probably as far as we want to go. Now we're going to let the oil and the garlic gently cool down for a little bit, and then we're going to add all the other ingredients into a nice glass bowl or metal bowl. So first in, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of light brown sugar, followed by 2 teaspoons of ground salt. Next in, we add 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil to help boost that sesame flavour, followed by 2 tablespoons of crispy shallots or crispy onions. Now, remembering to move the little safety stopper underneath the soy sauce, we're going to measure out 2 tablespoons of rich dark soy sauce to get that real hit of umami flavour. And now here you can either use 4 teaspoons of Korean flakes, or I'm using 4 teaspoons of kimchi paste. Both do the same job and give you a nice warmth. Now I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of smoked chili flakes, and now I'm adding the garlic oil into all of that mixture. The oil and the garlic, and it's all going to get mixed around to combine the flavours. And as you give it a nice good mix, all those flavours are going to start marrying together and marinating each other. And when you make this, and you have to make it, it's incredible. It smells incredible. And then now that's going in the blender or a pestle and mortar. It's entirely up to you. You want to get a nice flavourful paste out of that. I recently got this Ninja blender and it's perfect for the job. We're going to pop the lid on, turn it on, and now I'm going to hit the puree button because I kind of want it nice and smooth, but the peanuts are also going to leave it a little bit of texture anyway. I actually hit the puree button twice on this, and I still had quite a rough, coarse peanut texture, just like this, look at that. And now I'm going to jar it up in a nice airtight jar, ready for the fridge. But I don't think I could put it all away without trying some on some nice steamed noodles. And there we have our peanut Rayu. But it smells so good, I'm going to have to try some. I've steamed off these noodles, I'm just going to mix it gently around with the peanut Rayu, and all that sesame and peanut and chili is coating the noodles. A couple of pinches of crispy onions, and I think I'm good to go. And of course, I'm gonna eat it with chopsticks. This recipe smells so good, and it's so versatile for so many things. Imagine this on a nice piece of bass. And now for the taste test, my favourite part of the day. so good on so many levels. Get it in your fridge. Next, I'm gonna try poached eggs. And I mean like poached eggs, like right now, it's so good, I've got to try it. And here we go, a nice bit of buttered tiger bread, some tomatoes from the greenhouse, a little bit of shredded red chard from the greenhouse, a couple of poached eggs, 2.5 minutes and a bit of water, and then topped with the peanut sauce. The free-range egg yolk popping into that sauce. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And that's it. Thank you for joining me in a New Forest. That's another episode. If you liked it, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel. See you in next week's video, and we're going to carry on in our nice damp New Forest, searching for our penny buns and mushrooms to see what's about. And remember, if you like this video, then you have to watch this video next. Not this one, this one. See you next time. Yes, I'm back here in the New Forest, having a little fall over from a stick. Nice one, culprit. I could just see all little eyes looking at me.